If you can go backwards and straight up the hill. Nate, we may need you over here.
I'm not seeing any front wheel movement at all. It came down and the front wheel's just freewheel. The front's locked.
Is my front drive shaft turning?
That's strange.
Hang on. All right. Hey, we're gonna drive. I just got it in front. I just got it in four-wheel. Somehow the 205 popped out.
It's not always easy going off-road. We were fine. Once we got David to stop and we got him to get that front drive shaft turning, he was able to back up. We were able to get things squared away.